lines. How many lines are there? Okay, there are 5 lines in musical staff. What else did you notice in this picture? Very good. It has 4 equal spaces. So musical staff have 5 lines and 4 equal spaces. So musical staff is very important for the musicians to easily interpret or read and write the music. So musical staff is also where notes or musical notes live. So in musical staff, it has 5 lines, and the top lines represents higher pitch. And the lower lines of musical staff represents lower pitch. Always remember that musical staff have 5 lines and 4 equal spaces. And musical staff is where music notes live. And that it helps musicians to easily read and write music. Did you understand our topic? Very good. Now, we were going to have a group activity. This is group 1, group 2, and group 3. Now, what you're going to do is that I'm going to distribute paper strings that you will going to arrange in a bond paper using a glue, and then after that you will going to choose one member of your groups, and then that will show your work in front. You are going to share what are your learnings about musical stuff.
Of course.